Today we'd like to show you how to change the body for the slide control on the crisper of your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So to begin, we'll simply empty out the crisper, remove it from the refrigerator. And we'll set that on a suitable work surface and we can change out that part. Now, normally there's a small clip at the front of that body that you'll need to gently depress so that you can push that out through the front of the crisper. On this particular one, it's already broken. So we simply need to tilt that towards the front of the crisper. Then we'll pull that whole assembly out. We'll just set the crisper aside. We'll next need to remove the slide from that body. So simply pull it towards the center of it and then just spread that enough that you can unclip it and pull it the rest of the way out. There are two tracks, one on either side of that slide. We don't want to damage those as we remove it from the body of that control. So we'll discard the old one. We'll begin by inserting that slide into the new body. Now, when inserting that slide into the new body, we want to make sure that it goes in underneath that little friction guide. So just gently lift up on that enough that you can slide it in underneath. And when it's about halfway in, again, we're going to separate the edges of that body enough that we can engage those two tracks. So just while separating them, put a little inward pressure on that slide. Make sure it's engaged on both sides. So we'll take the whole assembly, slide it through that rectangular opening, push it all the way to the right-hand side, and then simply snap the left-hand side in until it's flush. And make sure that the little locking tab engages. And then we can put the whole assembly back into the refrigerator. You can then set the control to the preferred position. We can close the refrigerator up, and your repair is complete.